English 10 lines speech on Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. 10 lines speech on Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anchal. Today I am going to speak about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was a great leader of India. He is also known as Baba Sahib. He believed in equality and justice. He became the first law minister of India. He is called the father of the Indian Constitution. He died on 6th December 1956. He is an inspiration for all of us. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.